Hey guys, ECRG here. Today we're going to be talking about how Instagram has impacted what people are looking for in their jobs. Hey guys, ECRG here. And today we're going to be talking about how Instagram has impacted the job search for most people. Now, social media is one of the most important and powerful influences we have in our world today. I remember a few years ago when Instagram's owner, Facebook, reached their first 1 billion users on the platform. That is absolutely incredible to have that many people on one platform. And that, of course, makes it incredibly powerful to have 1 billion people on a single platform, especially with there only being 7 billion people in the world. So the topic of today's video is really about Instagram and how has it impacted the job search. And Instagram is something, I don't know about you guys, but that's the first thing I check in the morning is Instagram. And they have done a really good job with the user interface. So I think a lot of people use it like that. Instagram is probably the first app or one of the first 2 or 3 apps when they wake up in the morning that they look at. I'm not even out of bed yet and I'm looking at Instagram. That's the app I look at before I go to bed as well. And I think what people don't realize is just how impactful Instagram has become with what people want out of life. And you may have heard me talk about this before, but the Instagram lifestyle is something that really resonates with my generation and the younger kids coming up. Now when you ask a kid what they want to be when they grow up, it's either they want to be a YouTuber, they want to be, Instagram influencer, they want to be an influencer nowadays or whatever it may be, but it's usually surrounding social media where people want to go and are gravitated to. So that, of course, is going to trickle down all the way through what kind of positions and jobs that people are looking for. So people might be more into, marketing now. I know I have a little sister. She wants to be a digital marketer. This was something that was not thought of a few years ago without social media, with the rise of social media. Marketing hasn't been like a super popular field that people want to go into. But now a lot of people want to do some type of influencing or marketing, digital marketing through Instagram. But also just the type of content that people are uploading to Instagram. People want to really live that Instagram lifestyle. You've got bloggers, you've got even YouTubers crossing over into Instagram, and all the Instagram people crossing over into YouTube. And you've got people that really portraying the Instagram lifestyle, traveling all over the place, being on planes all the time, eating great food. And so that's why I think you see an uptick in applications for jobs that require travel, because that is what's glamorized right now. Even in music today, people always talking about private jets. They're talking about plane trips across the sea. They're talking about eating in these extravagant places in other parts of the world. And a lot of that comes from Instagram. People talk about quote Trinidad James here, on Instagram straight flexing. That's what Instagram is really used for. And people are really drawn to jobs where you're going to have the ability to influence people through photos and digital ads. You're going to have the ability to influence people through the pictures that you take. And also you're going to be able to enjoy and go to some of these places, going to New York for your job, traveling all over the US for your job, traveling all over the world for your job for that matter. So I think if we look at the numbers, we're going to see a huge uptick in the number of people that are applying to jobs where you have the ability to travel. And I'm sure we're going to be seeing that for a long time, because the millennial generation on down, they don't want these crazy wars that the older generation had. They don't want to be blocked off from parts of the world for stupid political disputes. We are a generation that is open to understanding, meeting, conversing, and eating with people from all over the world, no matter your race, color, religion, or creed, sexual orientation, etc. So we don't want to be blocked off from any part of the world for whatever reason, because every part of the world is beautiful. I remember growing up during the time when 9/11 happened, and the whole Afghanistan region was just painted with a broad brush, like it was the worst place on the planet. And then having recently seen some pictures of Afghanistan and how beautiful it really is, I was shocked. I was like, is this the same Afghanistan that people are talking about? It is absolutely gorgeous. You look at the mountains, some of the pictures that I've seen, just type in Afghanistan whenever you get a chance and just look at some of the pictures of the natural and gorgeous beauty of that place. And, it's amazing. You can even type it in on Instagram and you'll just see how these places are just so beautiful and people want to travel to them. And I think people are realizing that not everyone can be an Instagram blogger or influencer, but what you can do is have a job where traveling is a part of it, rack up those points, and then use those to travel to where you want to be. So a lot of people are doing that. And, those jobs are in every sector of society. You've got finance jobs that travel, you've got marketing jobs that travel, you got everything. But even in here in clinical research, why a lot of people like being clinical research associates is for that very reason. You get to travel all over the country, rack up your points, and then on your free time, travel to where you want to be for free. So I think we're seeing a huge major shift brought on by Instagram and the Instagram lifestyle to where these type of jobs are arising, and companies should really focus on these type of jobs because these are the jobs that people want, where you have the ability to travel, the ability to get out and meet people, and that's what we're really interested in. So that's my take on how Instagram has shaped the job search. Comment down below if you agree. Comment down below also if you disagree or have anything to add to the point that I made in this video. Very curious what you guys think. Do I just live in a clinical research bubble, or is my take on this accurate? So comment that down below. As always, hit that red subscribe button. Become a part of the notification squad by hitting that bell next to it. Email us at eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com as always. And see you guys soon with another video. Take care.